Hello and welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're counting down the 5 best dumb phones in 2025, perfect for those who want simplicity, long battery life, and distraction-free communication. Whether you're looking for a backup phone or a digital detox, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for more details on these phones. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. Punkt MPO2. The Punkt MPO2 is a minimalist mobile phone designed for those seeking a distraction-free communication experience. Crafted by renowned designer Jasper Morrison, it focuses on simplicity and functionality, offering a streamlined interface for calls and texts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, and the physical keypad provides tactile feedback, a feature often missed in modern touchscreen devices. The phone's compact dimensions and lightweight build make it highly portable. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, it delivers smooth performance for its intended functions. The device operates on a customized version of AOSP 8.1, enhanced for security to protect user data. One of its standout features is 4G LTE capability, which enables high-quality voice calls and allows the phone to serve as a mobile hotspot. This promotes intentional internet use, reducing unnecessary distractions. The MPO2 also offers Pigeon, an encryption feature that lets users connect securely via the Signal app. Built with durability in mind, it features a Gorilla Glass screen and a glass fiber reinforced body, making it resistant to daily wear. Its IP52 splash-proof rating adds extra protection against minor water exposure. The monochrome G01 display ensures readability even in bright sunlight. Additional tools include Bluetooth connectivity, a contact list, alarm clock, notes with reminders, and a calculator. Charging via USB-C, the MPO2 aligns with modern charging standards. Available in black, gray, and light blue, the pricing starts at $299, with some variants reaching $315. In summary, the Punkt MPO2 offers a return to essential communication, stripping away the superfluous features of modern smartphones while maintaining high-quality audio, robust security, and a minimalist aesthetic. Number 4. Unihertz Jelly Star. The Unihertz Jelly Star is a remarkable feat in smartphone engineering, presenting itself as the world's smallest Android 13 device. Measuring just 95.1 Cheng 2, 49.6 Cheng 2, 18.7 millimeters and weighing only 116 grams, this ultra-compact phone is designed for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing essential features. Its transparent back, available in striking red or blue, adds a unique aesthetic while housing an LED notification light that syncs with calls, messages, and music. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, it ensures smooth performance for daily tasks. The 3.0-inch LCD display with a resolution of 480 Cheng 2, 854 pixels provides a crisp viewing experience, making it ideal for quick interactions on the go. Running on Android 13, the Jelly Star gives users full access to apps, ensuring a seamless smartphone experience in a pocket-sized form. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its 48MP rear camera, which captures vibrant, high-resolution images, while the 8MP front camera handles selfies and video calls with ease. A 2000 mAh battery, optimized by the energy-efficient 6nm chipset, offers lasting power with support for 10W fast charging. The Jelly Star also features dual nano SIM slots, NFC for mobile payments, an infrared port for remote control functionality, and a programmable button for quick actions. With support for major LTE bands, reliable connectivity is ensured across various networks. The device is positioned at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for those who want a fully functional smartphone in the smallest possible form factor. Whether you're a minimalist or someone seeking a secondary device, the Jelly Star proves that big things can indeed come in small packages. Number 3. Wisephone 3. The Wisephone 3 is a minimalist mobile device designed for users seeking a distraction-free experience. Building upon its predecessors, this third-generation model introduces several notable enhancements while maintaining the brand's commitment to simplicity. One of the most significant upgrades is the transition from an e-ink display to a 3.92-inch Full HD Ya1 matte AMOLED screen, offering sharper visuals and improved responsiveness. The matte finish ensures readability in various lighting conditions, reducing glare and eye strain. The device features a durable metal frame, giving it a premium feel while maintaining a compact and lightweight form. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, the phone ensures smooth operation for essential functions like calling, texting, music, and navigation. Unlike traditional smartphones, it deliberately omits distractions such as social media and web browsing, staying true to its minimalist philosophy. For those who enjoy photography, the Wisephone 3 includes a 50MP rear camera inspired by classic point-and-shoot film cameras, along with an 8MP front-facing camera. The device also supports 5G connectivity, a fingerprint sensor, NFC capabilities, and a USB Type-C port. A user-replaceable 1800 mAh battery provides sufficient endurance for everyday use. Available for pre-order at $399, a limited-time discount from its regular price of $799. Shipments are expected to begin in January 2025. For users looking to reclaim focus and simplify their digital lives, the Wisephone 3 presents a compelling option. Number 2. Wisephone 2. The Wisephone 2 is a minimalist mobile device designed for individuals seeking a break from the constant distractions of modern smartphones. Priced at $299, this phone emphasizes simplicity and intentionality in its design and functionality. One of its standout features is the 2.8-inch e-ink display, which provides a paper-like reading experience, reduces eye strain, and remains visible even in direct sunlight. The phone supports 4G LTE networks for reliable calls and messaging, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, and Wi-Fi. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry, and the 950 mAh battery typically lasts 1 to 2 Dalton's Wi-Fi on a full charge. The Wisephone 2 runs on Light OS, a custom operating system designed to offer essential tools without unnecessary distractions. Users can make calls, send texts, set alarms, and customize their experience with tools like directions, podcasts, music, calculator, calendar, voice memos, and notes. The device deliberately excludes social media, internet browsing, email, and news apps to help users focus on what matters most. Compatible with major carriers like T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, it also comes with an optional light SIM card. With its minimalist approach and distraction-free interface, the Wisephone 2 is an ideal choice for those looking to simplify their digital lives. Number 1. Wisephone 2. The Wisephone 2 is a thoughtfully designed device that reimagines the modern smartphone experience by focusing on essential functionalities and minimizing distractions. Priced at $399, this phone offers a balanced blend of necessary features and deliberate omissions to promote healthier tech usage. It boasts a 50MP camera for high-quality photos and videos, supports 5G connectivity, and is powered by an octa-core processor for efficient performance. With multi-day battery life and fast-charging capabilities, the Wisephone 2 ensures reliability throughout extended use. The phone's design emphasizes simplicity and focus, providing essential tools such as phone calls, messaging, maps, notes, music, and photos while excluding social media, web browsing, explicit content, and addictive media apps. This intentional limitation encourages users to engage more with their surroundings and reduce screen time. Additionally, the Wisephone 2 offers vetted third-party apps as optional tools, allowing users to customize their experience without compromising its core philosophy of minimal distraction. For those seeking a device that prioritizes essential communication and productivity while minimizing distractions, the Wisephone 2 presents a compelling option.